Yeah.
Hello girls, how are you? I'm Miss Sohaila. Today we have a new unit 4, period 3. Our lesson today is about the past simple and past continuous tenses. Um, Let us see this example. I I watched a film yesterday. I visited Istanbul or Turkey last year. Look, عنا keywords بتدلنا على الباست simple. Yesterday, last year. عنا last بتدلنا على الباست simple. Last year, last week, last month. وفي عنا in the past وفي عنا ago. These are keywords for the past simple. يبقى عنا yesterday, last year و ago و in the past. اوكي. طبعا الفعل عندنا في الباست سيمبل this is regular verb اضفنا له ed. اوكي. This is about past simple and you know about it in the previous lessons. Let us see another example about the past continuous. In those days I was staying in Istanbul. Okay, in those days I was staying in Istanbul. Those and those plural من that. Those البلورال من that. هذه بتدلنا على الباست بنستخدم فيها الباست continuous. But these البلورال من this. يبقى those و these plural و that و this singular. اوكي. these البلورال واللي منها السنجولار this بنستخدمها في البريزنت سيمبل. Let us return to the example. عندنا الفعل was staying. من ايش بتكون الفعل هذا في الباست continuous؟ بتكون من was aware plus the verb plus ing. This is the formation of past continuous. اوكي. عندنا was. ايش البروناونس اللي بنحط معاها was؟ he, she, it و I. where they, we, you. طبعا plus the verb plus ing بيدينا الباست كونتينيوس. هلقيتا احنا وقتش بنستخدم الباست سيمبل وقتش بنستخدم الباست كونتينيوس. عندنا الباست سيمبل بنستخدمها when the action happened in the past and finished. وقلنا الكي ووردز ago, yesterday, last year, last month, last week, in the past. okay. But past continuous when the action was going on for a long time in the past. okay. Which is longer, past simple or past continuous? Past continuous is longer than the past simple. okay. And it happened first. For example, while I was reading a story. The telephone rang. Now listen. عندنا هنا قاعدة while هتربط لنا ما بين الباست continuous والباست simple. عندنا while is a conjunction. It joins two sentences together. The first sentence, I was reading a story. The second sentence, the telephone rang. Okay? And the first verb was reading. The first verb was reading. The second verb rang. Rang. The second verb rang. Was reading في أي زمن عنا في الباست continuous. Rang في الباست simple. Look, which verb is happened first? الباست continuous. بينما أنا كنت بقرأ القصة إيش حدث؟ The telephone rang. The telephone rang. التليفون rang. يبقى عنا الباست continuous. Past continuous. Then the past simple interrupted the past continuous. Interrupted. قطع الباست continuous. Okay, do you understand? طيب في عنا while من ضمن الكي ووردز وas. while وas هدول ايش بياخدوا؟ الباست continuous و the same meaning. while بمعنى بينما وas بمعنى بينما، بس الاكثر الاستخدام واللي نركز عليها قاعدة while. يبقى عنا while. طب هلقيت خلينا ناخد while. انتبهوا لwhile لما نكون في بداية الجملة بتكون عندنا capital letter وبتكون ايش؟ we separate the two sentences with comma. طب خلينا نحط while في نص نحطها in the middle of the sentence. هنقول the telephone rang while I was reading a story. اوكي انتبهوا يا تاسع، شايفين عندنا كلمة while في نص in the middle of the sentence small letter and we put it instead of comma. There is no comma here. But when we put while at the first of the sentence, we separate the two sentences with comma. Okay, do you understand? يبقى عندنا while بيجي وراها مباشرة past continuous بعديها past simple. لكن لما تيجي في نص الجملة while بيجي وراها past continuous وبيجي قبلها past simple. Okay, do you understand? Now let us see these examples. These examples from your book. Look at your book and look at these examples. Example number 1, I tried to call you yesterday evening, but you were out. How many verbs do you see? There are two verbs because there are two sentences. We join the two sentences with but and يبقى الجملتين هنا معطوفين على بعض but بمعنى لكن and بمعنى و هنا the two verbs are in the past simple, the same tense. Okay, past simple. Okay, in those days people were killing each other all the time. In those days وأنا موهت لها لهذه في الإكزامبل اللي عملت لكم إياه. In those days people were killing each other all the time. في تلك الأيام كانوا الناس إيش مالهم؟ يقتلوا بعض طول الوقت. Okay, in those days قلنا those بتدللنا على الباست continuous. Walid called at 7 o'clock. at 7 o'clock. في عنا time هنا. At that time قلنا that singular من those. That singular من those. Jimmy was getting some books. برضو عنا الفعل في أي زمان؟ في الباست continuous. Yesterday morning عنا yesterday ومرتبطة بإيش؟ بزمن. morning, evening, afternoon. أوكي؟ yesterday morning جيمي، لكن لو كانت yesterday لحالها هنستخدم الباست سيمبل يا تاسع، لكن yesterday morning بنستخدم معها ايش؟ الباست continuous. جيمي was taking the bus to school then وليد joined him. was taking عنا past continuous. انتم ملاحظين يا تاسع الباست كونتينيوس حدث في الاول. مين اللي ركب في الاول؟ مين اللي اخذ الباص في الاول؟ جيمي. then وليد joined him. بعدين ركب وليد او التحق وليد معه. اوكي، بعديها اجا الباست سيمبل. اوكي، يبقى الباست كونتينيوس زمنه اطول long action but past simple short action, and it happened first, the past continuous, and it is longer than the past simple. While I was looking at some books I noticed one about Saladin. while هي قاعدة while يا تاسع أجتنا at the beginning of the sentence. while I was looking هي الفعل عنا was looking في أي زمن؟ في الباست continuous. at some books I noticed past simple. I noticed one about Saladin. هنا Saladin يعني صلاح الدين، بس عنا جيمي بلفظها بلهجته الأجنبية. Example number 6 وليد tried to call while Jimmy was getting some books. عنا while هنا أجت إيش؟ in the middle of the sentence. لاحظوا while هنا small letter أجا بعديها الباست continuous كالعادة. بعد قبلها أجا الباست simple. ما ننساش هذه القاعدة مهمة كتير يا تاسع. Do you understand our lesson today about while, about the past simple, about the past continuous? Okay, طيب, let us answer. Look at the examples again. Complete the statements with the past simple or past continuous. This exercise from the book. Okay, according to the examples. Number 1. That shows that something happened and finished in the past. The past simple. قلنا الباست simple speaks about something happened in the past and finished. Okay. Number 2. That can show that something was going on for a long time in the past. الإيش هذه؟ past continuous. قلنا الباست continuous the action was going on in the past for a long time. Okay. Number 3. The plus time shows that something was going on at that time in the past. Plus time هذا according to example number 3 يبقى past continuous. Number 4. We often use the and the together. This can be in two sentences, the past continuous and the past simple. This can be in two sentences, like example number 3, example number 4 also. Jimmy was taking the bus to school, then Walid joined him. This is about example number 4. This can be in two sentences or it can be in just one sentence, like in example number 6. Walid tried to call while Jamie was getting some books. Okay. طيب نشوف number 5. we can use that for the long action. قلنا الباست continuous هو long action first, and then the past simple for the short action. Second, or we can do it in the other way around. Okay? أو يعني ممكن إحنا نعمله العكس. زي عنا في example number 5 و example number 6. يعني عشان while أجتنا في الأول حطينا الباست continuous وراها على طول، بعدين الباست simple. لكن while أجت في in the middle of the sentence حطينا الباست simple قبلها وراها مباشرة، لأنه الباست continuous بتبع while وين ما كانت. باست continuous لازم يجي وراها سواء في أول الجملة أو في نص الجملة. Do you understand? When number 6, when the first part uses the we add a comma, uses the past continuous. هي عنا الكوما. We separate the two sentences with comma. When the first part uses the past simple, we don't add comma. لما بداية الجملة بتكون في الباست simple, we don't use comma, we put while instead of comma. This is our lesson today. I hope you understand our lesson today. Thank you for listening.